Tree kangaroos are animals we know very little about when compared to other mammals. Most live in the dense, tropical cloud forests of Papua New Guinea, rarely coming down from the trees, making it difficult to study them. The animal's physical appearance can be described as a mix between a bear, raccoon, and kangaroo. There are a range of subspecies that all vary in size, appearance, and attributes. Some suggest that there may even be more subspecies since the golden-mantled tree kangaroo was only discovered 30 years ago. DNA evidence suggests that they are more related to rock wallabies than any other macropod, the group that includes all marsupials. Behavioral characteristics of the proserpine rock wallaby support this, as these animals have an affinity for climbing trees in addition to living on the ground. Estimates suggest that the rock wallaby and tree kangaroo separated from other marsupials 25 million years ago, and that the tree kangaroo became distinct roughly 7 million years ago. Because of this, the name tree kangaroo is a misleading one because they are far removed from actual kangaroos. For context, humans and gorillas only separated 9 million years ago. Unlike kangaroos, the tree kangaroo has a very limited hop, and instead they have developed extremely large forearms that allow them to jump between trees. Their tails are extremely long when compared to their body size, used for balance and stability in the trees. Additionally, they have specialized spongy, rough-padded feet and long curved claws used for climbing. Excluding their tails, these animals are extremely small, measuring around 30 inches. They weigh just above 30 pounds, although this varies among species. They are so adapted for life in the trees that some species of tree kangaroo are rarely seen below an altitude of 300 meters. All current tree kangaroos live in Papua New Guinea with the exception of Lumhold's tree kangaroo and Bennett's tree kangaroo, which habit Queensland, Australia. Most call the rainforest home, but some species are known to live in the mountain ranges and lowlands. Each species has a different range, with some being widespread and others being limited to a specific region. The Wandyiwu tree kangaroo was thought to be extinct in 1928. However, in 2018, a photographer captured a photo of one. It is now thought there is a very small population isolated to the Wandyiwu Peninsula in West Papua. This area is rarely visited by humans because it is difficult to traverse, with a high altitude of 1,500 meters, dense bamboo thickets, and limited water sources. In contrast, the grizzled tree kangaroo can be found in the Foja Mountains, Bird's Head Peninsula, and a number of offshore islands. Researchers theorize that these animals have seen a 99% reduction to their natural range. These marsupials are primarily herbivores with the exception of eggs when they have the opportunity. Their primary diet consists of leaves, fruit, bark, sap, nuts, and flowers. These animals rely on their individual foraging skills because they are mostly solitary. Evidence shows that a male will overlap a female's range, but the reverse isn't true. The only strong bond that exists within this species is the relationship between a mother and her offspring. These animals take 2 years to sexually mature and give birth to a joey after 45 days. At this point, the joey crawls into its mother's pouch where they stay another 8 months to nurse. There is then another 2-month period where they will periodically leave the pouch and return. The young tree kangaroos stay with their mothers for 18 months before finding their own range. Their lifespan is unknown in the wild, but in captivity they live around 20 years. The oldest known specimen is Patty, who lived at the Miami Zoo and died at the age of 27. There are various conservation programs to protect each species of tree kangaroo. Some are more intense than others because some tree kangaroos are considered to be critically endangered and others just now threatened. These conservation programs mostly focus on stopping illegal logging and hunting of the animal. These programs also work with indigenous communities, empowering them with the tools and education required to maintain the population themselves. Like and subscribe for more animal facts like this.